These are 5 weeks old toy poodles. Very cool. 2 chocolate boys and 1 baby girl. Very cute. Very cool. How you doing? See white on their paws. Little white spots. Very smart.
Adorable.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, very
good.
smart. Looks like very smart, right?
Yeah, and there's their parents. Chuck. Julie, Chuck.
Chuck.
Very smart. Very cute. Ears. Very cute.
And leather nose.
Yeah, yeah. Leather.
Make from the real leather.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very cool. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you for watching, guys and girls.
Nice haircuts. Okay, thank you for watching.